Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to grant access to our camera, to our applications on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So to allow our applications to use our camera, we have to go to settings. Then we are looking for safety and privacy. And here we have privacy menu right here. And we need to use permission manager. Now we have few options here, but we are interested in camera. As of right now, 4 out of 19 applications are allowed to use our camera. Let's add some more. Camera is of course allowed to use our camera, but let's say Mr. Chrome, yes, you can use our camera, but ask us every time you want to. As you can see, Chrome appeared here. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.